Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online.
Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
How to make YouTube thumbnails with AI. A strong thumbnail can mean the difference between a video receiving a few thousand views and a million views. Consistently having a thumbnail like this will also improve the overall appearance of your channel and help you establish your brand identity. However, it can take a lot of time and effort to create a professional and attractive thumbnail for every video. So in this video, I'll show you how to use AI to create amazing thumbnails in a matter of minutes. Let's get started. To make our YouTube thumbnails with AI, we're going to do 3 simple steps. Let's start with step 1, which is to create our AI character. So first, we're going to create our AI character for our thumbnail, and then use it to create the thumbnails. So go to app.artflow.ai and it will take you to this page. To start using this tool, we need to sign up. Now click here and sign up with your Google account. And here you can see that you can only train one AI actor for free. Now to create our AI character, we need to train the AI by uploading some photos of the person we want our character to look like. So to do that, click Create Your AI Actor. Select Gender, Age, and give a name for the character. Then here, you need to upload at least 10 high-quality pictures of the person who the AI character has to look like. And here, you can check the type of pictures that you have to upload. Make sure this person's face is very clear, with different backgrounds, angles, facial expressions, etc. Also avoid pictures like these. This way, the AI will train better and give better results. So to upload, click here, select the images, and click Upload. Once you have uploaded the images, click Start Training. And as you can see, our AI character is ready. Now if you go to Image Studio, you can see how the AI character looks in different images. Okay. Once you created the character, now let's say you want this AI character to show specific poses or reactions that are needed for your thumbnail. Right now, you can see there are random images generated by the AI. To get images suitable for your thumbnail, let's move on to the second step, which is to create new images for the AI character. To create a new image, click Create New Image. Here, select the type of image as General. So we get a wide shot of the character, looking at different angles, and then select the image size. Another cool feature we have here is Director Mode. With this, you can set the character's position and the placements as you like. So you can try this out if you want. For now, I'm going to create a normal image. So next, here type Portrait of, and click here. Select your character. Now here you need to enter what image you want to generate. You can describe the character, the dress, what the character needs to be doing in the image, whether it's a type of a pose or expression that you need, etc. I'm going to enter that. Then click Add Style. Now check out all these options. Then select the style of the image you want and click Generate. As you can see, we've got some really cool images. To download the one you like, just click on it, right-click, click Same Image As, go here, select all the files, rename the file you want. Then make sure you add .png at the end and save it. Now the character images are ready. But you must have noticed this watermark on the image, which doesn't look good, right? So to remove it, let's go to watermarkremover.io and just drag and drop the image here. As you can see, the watermark is removed instantly. Let's click here and download it. Now to create the thumbnail, we only need the character without the background. So to remove this background, let's go to removal.ai. Drag and drop the image here, and it's done. Just click here and download the image. We now have an image of our character that is free of any watermarks and background, which means we can start now creating our thumbnail by adding various background elements and text. Let's move on to the final step, which is to create our thumbnail. To do this, go to canva.com. And you will be taken to this Canva website. This is where we're going to create our thumbnail. So first, sign in with your Google account. Once you're signed in, click here and search for YouTube thumbnails. As you can see, there are various amazing thumbnails available. So just click on the one you like and click here to customize it. First, let's remove this image. So click on it and click this delete icon. Now go here, click uploads, and select our character's images without any background. Now to add it into this template, just click it and then you can adjust the size like this. To change the position of these texts, just click on them and drag it to the position you want. To edit these texts, first, let's select it. Now delete it. Now add your text and then adjust its position. If you want to change the font, you can do that from here and adjust the position of any extra elements that you want. Now let's say you want to change this background. Click here, then go here and experiment with different colors. Once you're happy with the result, just go here, click download, again click download, and it's done. As you can see, this thumbnail looks very eye-catching and attractive. Similarly, you can experiment with different AI characters and templates to create impactful thumbnails for your YouTube videos. So that's it, guys. This is how you can create YouTube thumbnails using AI. By leveraging AI-powered tools, you can create professional and attractive YouTube thumbnails that help your videos stand out and attract more viewers. Before we end this video, let me introduce to you Pixci from Technique Force. Let AI take over your photo editing. Bye-bye hard work and Photoshop. Create illustrations, photos, ads, logos, and more with the world's best AIs. 100s of ready-made workflows. Forget prompts. Just click and generate. 10 plus AI models, exclusive and secret AIs included. Generate high-quality images with just a click. Create and edit photographs, illustrations, posters, signs, logos, ads, thumbnails, and anything else you can imagine with exclusive high-quality AI models. Unleash the creative imagination of AI at your command. Generative AI is incredibly powerful, but it's hard to harness the true power all by yourself. Being a prompt engineer or expert is a task that requires serious study. Don't bother, Pixci does it for you. Create beautiful logos, banners, signs, and other advertising graphics easily. Need graphics for social media that stand out? Pixci makes it easy to create them. Create logos, banners, signs, and any other graphic you want in a matter of minutes. You just supply the name. Huge ready-made prompt and workflows library. Download in the size you want. Pixci supports high-resolution images. You can use them in your social media graphics, videos, or even print. Download the images in the size you want and use them anywhere. Remove backgrounds from any image. Want to remove backgrounds from your image? Do it in seconds with Pixci. Don't need to use Photoshop or any expensive app. Upscale images and restore photographs. Got a low-resolution image? Pixci can upscale it and make it high resolution. Not just that, it can fix and restore old speckled and discolored photographs to make them brand new and fresh. 150 plus ready workloads. Click and create easy. No need to be a prompt magician. Pixci is your magic. Perfect AI calibration and control. Upload any image and rework it. Use every top image AI. Use them all. Searchable repository of your images. Get access to hidden and open source AIs. Get uncensored AI generators. And a lot more. Get the Pixci power to create the AI images that go beyond anything you've done so far. Choose where you want your business to be. Choose Pixci. So what are you waiting for? Get Pixci now. Just go to getpixci.in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.